Hello tubes, good morning. Well, it's a sunny day, but there's a bit of wind, so can't help that. And we're here at the Steam Museum in Valkenburg, close to The Hague. And there will be a classic car meeting here. But it's Sunday morning, still very early, about 10. Everybody's still asleep, but there are already some cars here, so let's check them out. Well, you must recognize it. It's a Peugeot. A nice 404 pickup. Are you working with it? Yeah. And the bird. Take along the bird. Morning. Waar is het vogeltje? Anders wordt hij boos. Nice 404.
Dat zou je uit het model kunnen halen.
And another old French car, a Renault. Yep. It's an oldie. I think it's a Renault 8 or 1300. Oh, wait a minute. And there's a Citroën in the back. A pedal car. Always take along your pedal car. You never know. Another pedal car. That's good. Sorry, it's a Renault 10, 1970. Original Dutch car. Owned since 1993. Always been garage, no rust. 3,450 euros. Looks good. Yeah. It's a real one. And a nice US one. Look, shiny wheels, nice red paint, fire engine red, lots of chrome details. Oh, more chrome.
Dan zet ik mijn auto op de tweede plaats. Ja, op de derde plaats. Wat je wil hoor. Ja. Goedemorgen.
Racing. Napoleon Remark. It says Cobra. Like a 2CV, you always recognize it. A real Morris. Well, this is the club that organizes it. It's from the city of Voorschoten. That's between The Hague and Amsterdam. And they got a nice Healy here. Somebody waiting there in a nice old, well, what is it? Let's see what it is. Still don't know what it is, but we're gonna find out. Ooh, more competitors. Whoa, I know this thing. Yeah, I made a bit of that one. Lovely restored. Smells good. 4-wheel brakes, in case, you never know. Well, maybe we can ask the guy what it is. We still don't know what it is, so let's ask him. Hoda! Yeah, that's the same one. That's a good year. I was born in 53. Oh, thingies. He's got thingies.
Kijk, het zijn maar zo, een beetje voor de kop zijn maar zulke achterlichtjes. En er zit een knipperlicht in en er zit remlicht in en de gewone verlichting zit erin. Ja. Ja, je moet straks fotograferen hoor, want dan staan de...
Well, you know this place, the Steam Museum. Maybe I'll make some more vids here today. Well, modern cars for breakfast in the restaurant. And a nice Citroën 2 chevaux. The old type. Yeah. Yeah, looks good. Nicely restored. No rust. Ah. More competitors. I wanted to say more victims, but more competitors. Let's see. A real Dutch car, a DAF. Our national color, orange. A nice, what is it? Peugeot? Yeah, it's a Peugeot 203. Here's our Ford with the 4-wheel brakes. Well, daily driver, old Mercs never die. Oh, look at that. Nice, US classic. Great. Holy Mac, nice Bel Air. Not sure about the year, but I can check the Department of Transport. And what the heck have we got here? Hello. Oh, that's a biggie. Runs smoothly. Another top. Rumble, rumble. No plates in front. Nope, no plates in front. Oh, yeah. Slight markings. Drip, 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 drip. Oy. That's funny. Look at that. Turning fog lamps. You turn the wheel and the fog lamps will turn. A system that automatically follows the wheels. Well, gotta hold up this. Oh, marking. Yeah. Ah, gaat goed.
Dankjewel.
Oké. Woepie. Hop. BRG. British Racing Green. Well, about. Good clutch. Lanchester. Bumpers. I'm not gonna poke for rust. There won't be any. Nope. Rust check. Nope. It's all brand new. Oh.
Hi there.
Ooh, hubcaps. Well, I like it when they make it easy for me. Renault 202 1948. 1133 cc's. 30 horsepower. Whoa. And motorcycles. Oh, old Laverda. Yeah. Old Zundap. DRs. Italian classic, 2-cylinder, 750. Manual reverse. Our favorite color, orange. Queen of orange. And let's not forget our small Fiat Topolino. Yeah, simple dash. And there's somebody collecting outboard motors, buitenboordmotoren, verzamelaar, collector, hobby oldtimers, tractors and motorcycles. The old Dutch milk jugs from the farmers. Yeah. And some more thingies. Old tools. Need tools. Yeah. What? Right-hand drive in the Netherlands with a Dutch license and a bowler head. Let's go to the pub. Ah, more Triumphs. Orange, red, another color red. Well, very quietly they sneaked in from East Germany, or the former East Germany, to Trabants, Trebbies. Sachsenring. Schmalz. Ah, Schmalz. Deutsche Demokratische Republik. Das war einmal. That's over. Well, even a trailer hitch. Can pull a big trailer.
En dan loop je de dag daarna of zo, dan doe je mee weg.
Maar dat is toch altijd zo?
Voor de kids.
Als je gaat verbouwen of klussen in je huis.
Gemeenschap kan je dat ook.
Ja, dan ga je allerlei spullen kopen en dan blijken ze nog ergens in de schuur te liggen.
Ja.
Yeah. It's a Peugeot 404 and a Citroën.
Maar die bedoel ik niet. Ja, maar wanneer is het morgen?
Als je morgen op dat briefje kijkt.
Goed.
Model cars. Wow. It's an i6, straight 6. Yep. Nicely restored. Rust check, none. Nope. Nice and shiny. Dual drum brake. Well, troops, first bit of this classic car meeting near the Steam Museum in Valkenburg, between The Hague and Amsterdam, Leiden. See you in the next vid. Bye bye.